Hey guys, what's up? I've installed Drupal 7 and I'm going to show you how to create a new theme that you can work with. And here's just a fresh install, okay? And by the way, I really like Drupal 7. It's really pretty and easy to use. I'm going to go ahead and go to Appearance. And under Appearance you see we have a bunch of themes and all this stuff. And this Stark theme is a pretty good starter theme because it's bare naked. And what I'm going to do is open up my Drupal folder and go to Themes, and here's the Stark folder. I'll just right click and pick Copy, and I'll go back and go to Drupal Sites, and then under All, and then under Themes I'm going to right click and paste, and then let's name our theme something we'll use. For my example, I'll just use Dream since that's the name I always use. And down in the .info file we need to rename this our theme name. So I'll call this dream.info, then open that up and I'll call this dream, and you can change in here what you want. Let's see, core, and I'm probably going to get a reset file, reset CSS, Eric Myers reset. This is a nice one. And you can just copy this URL if you'd like one. And I will make a new file, paste this in, and I'll save this as reset.css. Close that. And under the style sheets, I'll make another one of these called style sheets all equals reset.css. And I want that to go before the layout. So package core. I think this is good. I can delete this if I want. And I'll close that. Close this. And layout.css. Okay, and that should be good. I'll refresh this. Scroll down and we have Dream 7.0. I'll enable and set default. Okay. And you can close this and it will refresh your little area, and now you have a plain thing to work with. So if I were to open layout CSS, I could put something in here like, let's say, body background of silver, and I'll hit refresh, and there we have it. One thing that you might be wondering is, how can I edit this template, like the HTML and stuff? Well, you can override that if you'd like, or I would probably use like the structure blocks and all this stuff. But if you want to do that, if you want to get the original files, you would go to Drupal, modules, and system, and in here there's files called .tpl, .php, and these are the template files. TPL stands for template. And what you could do is just copy page. This is your main page, the page.tpl.php, and then go back to your sites, all, themes, dream, and then just paste it in here. And to see if we made a change, I'll just scroll down in this file and say I made a change. I'll put it right here. Okay, and you could change all your element tags and everything if you wanted. I wouldn't mess with all the PHP unless you really know what you're doing, but I'll save that, refresh, and you see nothing's changed. That's because this template is cached into the database. So to make changes with that, you would go to configuration, and let's see, down to development and performance, and we would do clear all caches, and it's clearing all that stuff from the database. I'll go ahead and close this, and here it is. I made a change. So all you're doing is just overriding the files. You can include node. There's a couple of them to look into. One more thing, if you go to structure and let's say blocks, one thing you'll have to notice is that if you're working on blocks over here, there's tabs here for different themes, and you might accidentally be in like this theme and you're changing stuff and nothing's changing on your actual site. You got to make sure you're in the right tab. And a way around that is to go to Appearance and disable themes that you're not using. And I'll go back to Structure, Blocks, and now you see it only shows 2 here. And you should probably know CSS if you're going to actually do this, by the way. But that's a quick introduction, and thanks a lot for watching.